Hi, welcome back. In our last video, we saw how to create the two packages. One is action and DB. Now let me create the servlet class. So select the action, right click, new, Java class. Here I am going to create the Java class as registration. So reg you have to create as reg servlet class. Servlet, servlet. Press enter key on your keyboard. Right, your class has been created. Right, it's a class. Right, reg servlet. Right, so here this class, what you're going to do is we have to implement the servlet class. So how to implement the servlet class? We don't have any classes here, so you have to write the implements. That's a keyword, implements http. You write http servlet. Right, http here. We don't need a servlet. Here we don't need a servlet. You write servlet. Right, we no need. So what you're going to do is here, I'm going to implement that servlet. We have to put the packages relevant to the servlet. So how to import the servlet packages? Here you just go to your Google and type MBN Maven. This is a Maven project, right? Maven servlet, right? So you click on this first one, the servlet API. This dependency, you have to what's the dependency downloaded many times of this one. I copy this one, this dependency, click on this. I just copy this dependencies, paste it over here. Right? Okay, now we have paste the dependencies. Perfect. Right, now it's working perfect. Now what you're going to do is I back to my project. Now let's look at the project reg servlet. Here you have to write not a implement. This is not an implement. So this extends keywords. Right? That is by default my mistake. This is extends keyword. You write now you will be able to type HTTP servlet. So that's servlet. You have to write a servlet. Right, sorry, the problem is this. I have imported, but I haven't add the dependency. You have to click on this. Then only the dependency will be added. Now let's back again. Right, now here the dependency is added now. Now let's go to the servlet extends servlet HTTP. Alright, HTTP over here. Servlet. Here the class will be here. The class will be here display successful here HTTP servlet. Click on this and import it. Here this package is imported. Here the package has been imported successfully. Right. Now what you're going to do is before doing to add the record into the database, we already done the registration form as well. Before that, what you're going to do is we have to do another thing is we have to create the database and everything. So in order to create the database, you have to go to the MySQL workbench. If you are not installed the MySQL workbench in your machine, you must install the MySQL workbench. That's the best. Okay, so we have to create the databases, right? In order to connect with the database, MySQL workbench. You have to click on this. Right, click on this, the MySQL workbench. Now what you're going to do is I'm going to create this is your connection. So I'm going to go to click on this. So models. So we have to create the models right first. Okay, so click on the models. You have to add the you have to click model, right? Sorry, you have to go to model, click on this at the end of the model here, click that. Here this is a model, so I'm going to create a name. This name, I'm giving the name is, click on here, double click, car sale. It's a car sale system, right? Press enter key on your right. Then you double click, you have to create it like this, so you have to double click on this. Okay, so here we have done the stuff. I'm going to add the diagram. So how to create the diagram? So I'm going to create the diagram, CR diagram for this project. So how to create the diagram? Click add diagram. Okay, add diagram. Right. Now here we have to add the table and everything. Here I'm going to create the diagrams and everything. So first what you are going to do is you have to create the diagram. So what are the tables we need to add here is these are the tables structure. Brand, model, the car as a brand, car as a model, right? So what is a model? Car, member table. These are the four tables consist of this ER diagram. Okay. So first what you're going to see here, this is we have created the ER diagram. So here this one, click on this table, click on here you paste the table. This table I'm going to name it as brand. This table is a brand, plus enter key on your keyboard, the brand table. The brand table consists of brand ID and name. So this one is the ID. It's a primary key, right? It's an auto number generator, right? You are take the auto number generator as right. So after that, I'm going to use a name, brand name. It should be watch. That's it. That's the first field, right? The first field we have added. Right. Now I'm going to create another field which is a click on this. This one should be the model. This is the model field. Right. Double click on this. Here you have to type model. Press enter key. This model consists of ID, name, brand, model ID should be your right primary key. It's auto increment. Right. Okay, auto increment. So you have to put the primary key. All right, int. Right. This one should be the varchar. Second one, this one should be the ID. Like this one should be our model. Model, what's the column we have to read? Model name. Model name. This one should be varchar 255 characters. Right. This one should be the length. Int. ID should be we have to write 45. Right. Characters. Right. This one also the car brand also you have to specify the brand. This is a brand table. It's a brand table. It's not a 45. You have to edit them as 250 characters. Right. So this one should be accidentally we have typed this one. You have to copy it. You have to delete them. Right click, delete the selection. This one or make it as 45. So specify the length. Okay, that is good. Select this one. We have to delete the selection. Right. Perfect. Right. So we have another column which is a car column. You just click on this. You have to basically get it another table which is a car column. Car. Okay, here right click on this. This table name here write a car. Right, car as a the car as ID. This is a primary key. Auto increment. Second one should be the car ID, title and description. Car title. This is 255 characters. Second one should be the title, description. So we are making as description as a text. You have to make a description as a text. That's the text. Like we have to type it here as a text. It will be done simply. Right, it's come here text. Right, it's a text. Right. Third one should be the text. Another one is a text should be there also. Right, text is there. Right. Text. Okay. In description you have to give it as text. After that, year you have to write the year. Car year, that one should be the int. Or the price. price. This is also the int. Right. This one should be the 45 characters. This is also the 45 characters. Right. Perfect. Right. It's a perfect. Okay. Okay, it's coming. Right. Perfect. Now these are the fields. Now what you're going to do is we have another field is we have a member field. Member we consists of what are the fields? Member name, mobile, email, password, and 5 columns, right? So you have right here, right here to right here to go here. You have to another field you have to create. Click on this. Here you click member. Member ID, member as ID. Right. Name. Email, password. Email. Password. Or that photo. Right, photo is we have to calculate photo as 255 characters. You have to delete the selection. Photo, name, email, password, photo. Right, so another columns. We have mobile also there. We have a mobile column, so we need another column which is a mobile. It should be there. You have write int. Int type is a int 45. Right. Perfect. Mobile. Right. Okay. This accidentally the column is typing or delete them. Okay. These are the fields: name, email, password, photo. Name, email, password, photo. The ID, name, email, password. Okay. These are the member columns. Right. So now let's make the relationship. That's must. Okay. So we have to make the relationship. So I just close the table. Right. Now let's make the relationship. Now we have no one brand is a one brand has many models. Okay, many models. The car there are many models are there. Okay, car has many models, right? Okay, one brand. Okay, there are Toyota brand has many models. Okay, Toyota 1, Toyota 3, yes. That model there is a car. Okay, uh, one model has many cars. Okay, that is a relationship. Okay, so here one brand has many models. Okay, one brand has many models. One model has many cars. So how to make the relationship? So here you have to get this one to many. Here one to many. You have to get that. Okay, one to many relationship. One to many. Click on this. Okay, this is the many part. You have to click here, and this is the one. Click here. Now here this one here one. So here the brand ID is coming here, right? One brand has many models. One brand has many models, right? Now the same thing here as well. It's the same thing. You get this here, right? Here many. So what? One model has many cars. So this is a many. This is a one, right? So here it takes a relationship, right? So you can see here it gets a relationship here. Model ID. So model ID is coming to model ID. So what's the brand ID is coming like model ID, right? It will generate as a model ID here, right? So that's a relationship. So after that, we have to make relationship here as well. So here, what's the additional column? There is column is additionally created. You have to delete it. We don't need this column. You have to remove it. Right. That's it. Okay, if I accidentally click here model. Okay, one model has many cars. So one to many. Right. So here one member. So okay, what is the relationship here? One member has many cars. So I have the particular member has different cars in our house. Okay, so the member have a more than one car in your house. Okay, if there is five members in the house, so they are using the different cars. So what you're going to do is that's also some many cars. So here you get a many cars. So one member has many cars. So here also it's a many tire part. Yes, a member part. So you can see here one member has many cars. These are the relationship you have to make it. This is must. Okay, this is the ER diagram. This is the ER diagram of MySQL, right? These are the ER diagram. So here the name of the table, here this card table has been created. These are the following columns. You have to set the primary key and foreign key relation. This is a primary key, the same primary key inside the end of the table is a foreign key. This same primary key in different card tables, which is a foreign key. So the member table, which is for foreign primary key available in the card table, is called as foreign key. We made the relationship successfully. We made. Now we created the model successfully. Now if you want to save the model, so if file, you have to save the model, right? If you are a project, you will be able to save the model. Now this one we have to import this one we have to export into our table structure of a SQL query structure. So you have to go to the database. There is option called forward engineer. Click next. Click next. It asks the username and password while you installing the MySQL workbench you are given, right? So we have only the export MySQL table only. It will be defaultly selected, right? We didn't do any trigger part and dot. So we have to click next. Here that your query is generated successfully. Here, brand. This is a primary key. Here, this is a card set. Here, this 7 is a model, right? It's a model table. Here, there is a reference to foreign key. This all things it will be created successfully. Now let's create. Here we have to close it. That's the thing we have to write. Okay, that's the thing we have to write. Perfect. We done the things perfect. I hope you guys you understood successfully. I will see in my next lecturing how to add the records. Thank you.